We are at Copacabana, which is an all-age manufactured housing community in Laverne, California. We're going to be showing you this 1982 two-bedroom, one-bathroom Paramount manufactured home. This is a great buy in the city of Laverne. Copacabana is owned by a nonprofit in a highly desirable community to live in for families in Southern California. Let's go take a look around. If you're new to this channel, we premiere new and pre-owned manufactured and mobile homes on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We also appreciate all the love that you can give by hitting that like button. Let's go take a look at this 1982 Paramount manufactured home. This home has a very nice patio area in the back here. You could fit a table and some chairs, or put a coffee table there with some chairs. And back over here, you do have some more room. At the end of the video, we're going to be taking you through. The asking price on this home is only $109,900. If you're interested, or if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comments section. Let's go take a look inside this 1982 manufactured home. All right, we're going to go in through this. We're going to take you through the main area of the home last. You're going to love the living room. They have a beautiful accent wall. It's something that I haven't seen before. Here in the utility room, you got plenty of shelves right there. You could put some doors on them if you'd like. Side-by-side washer and dryer. Over here to the right, you are going to have the two bedrooms and the bathroom. Let's go take a look at this bathroom. For $109,000, this home is great value. There you go. Take a look at that bathroom. Down here is where the main living area of the home is. This is a spacious bedroom. You could fit a queen bed in here easily. Let me get this up here. Tell us what you think. We love to hear your thoughts, but please be respectful. Beautiful master bedroom. I really like the blue. It's a very nice, great color. Tell us what you think of the color options on this home. I love them. This is a very large master bedroom. You could fit a king-size bed with end tables, no problem. Or nightstands, I should say. Let me get over here. Now, these cabinets are going to go, which is going to give you more room. It's going to make this bedroom a little bit larger. We got a very nice walk-in closet. Now, let me give you this angle here. If you're new to the channel, take a look at all the new manufactured home and tiny home tours that we provide you. We give you a lot of different options. You can also check out homequestsales.com, the largest manufactured home ordering platform in the entire nation. We have over 60 floor plans, several different manufacturers for you to choose from. But check that out. I love that accent wall. They did a great job. This flooring also, this laminate wood flooring, looks very nice. It's very clean. This home is move-in ready. Nice baseboards. Let's take a look at that over there. So they did a great job with this home. I also just noticed, look at the crown molding they've put in this home. Some crown molding there. They painted this black. I love what they did with that ceiling. It looks very more modern. They have a nice sized kitchen table. As you can see, you could definitely fit a larger table in this area. I love the black cabinets. We'll give you this look over here. We're providing you links to other tours in the description of this video. Take a look at them if you're interested in learning more about manufactured homes. I love that. All right, now we're gonna wrap up this video here. Oh, you can let me show you this pantry right here. You can easily put some doors on there if you'd like to have that pantry enclosed. So thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you next time.